Chicken, I mean pork. Whoops. Ooh, chicken. Happy egg.
Yeah, I had this kind of sandwich when I went
To Korea? Well, I want to try happy egg sandwiches. Maybe some next time. Wow. Supermarket.
It's spicy.
Ooh. That's
like
cool.
it.
Yeah, I like spicy food.
Oh, they ramen with pot.
Whoa. Ramen with pot. Seoul Korea ramen style. Oh, it looks like a temple or something. To the left. Whoa.
Oh, we have lunch here.
Oh, this is a nice restaurant.
I came here twice.
Yeah. I forgot what we ordered.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Wow.
Still a lot of people.
Yeah. Maybe what, like 70% of normal?
I say like 60.
60 or 50% of normal people. Yeah, it looks so good. Wow. It looks like Koreatown. Ooh, pet store. It smells so much delicious food. Wow. What's that song?
It says five. Yeah, it says five.
Oh, this is a sound played everywhere when it's 5 p.m. Why do they do that?
I don't know.
It's coming from the speakers. Very Japanese thing. It's 5 p.m. So that's Shin Okubo station or the train ahead, right? Yeah, that's the main station. Wow! Smells so good. Fried cheese sticks and fried chicken. This is like Koreatown Square.
Biggest in Tokyo.
Biggest Koreatown in Japan. Good question. Where are we heading? Wow, flowers.
Mother's Day.
Wow, Mother's Day. Almost here. They do celebrate Mother's Day in Japan. Pretty similar to the America. I think flowers or something special for your mom. Look at this graffiti. That loud sound would be the train. Alright, we're at Shin Okubo station. Lots of young people are meeting up. Good question. Let's keep going a little bit further.
Nice to meet you.
Wow, pachinko. Oh my god. This is a big pachinko, huh?
I don't know how pachinko's big.
Well, yeah, pachinko's big everywhere. McDonald's, they have a nice bacon potato pie in Japan, about $1.20. Very delicious. I love it. This is still Shin Okubo, right?
But it's between Shin Okubo and Okubo station.
Oh, Okubo. What's at Okubo station? It looks like we have a shrine here. Jinja. Cool. Feels a little different, huh? More Japanese.
I don't know. Japanese chains.
Yeah. Don Quixote. Big everything store that sells everything. Whoa. A cheap supermarket all to the right. Wow, so many lights. Wow. That's Thai?
I don't know. Nepal.
Nepal supermarket. What's this? Temple? Here, left.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's church.
The church to the left. Whoa. Huge. Oh, this is very Tokyo-like.
Huh?
This looks like Tokyo.
What do you mean Tokyo?
This scene, I think.
I don't know.
Yeah.
And that's the Okubo station.
Okubo station. Is that the JR line?
Yeah.
JR line, Japan Rail. Yamanote line.
No,
No?
Yamanote is Shin Okubo.
Oh, whoops. Behind us is Yamanote line. So Okubo is. Nice nothing. Sobu line.
Yellow
Yellow
one.
line.
係啊，
Oh,
野兔叫乜嘢？唔好話乜你
yeah, crab and dory.
我裝幾度成日聽你。
Wow. Looks good. Whoa, that's good. Yeah, I love it. Oh, so this is like Vietnam town.
No.
Vietnam area?
But it's, yeah, this Vietnam pub.
Yeah.
It's international town.
This area is international town. Not official. Now we are at Okubo Station, right? JR!
Where are we heading?
We push it.